Hello everybody, this is Corbin from Zoco Marketing, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to set up events in the TikTok Pixel. This video will not cover how to install the Pixel onto your website. If you were looking for something like that, I actually created a video specifically for that purpose. You can find it in the description down below or up here somewhere. I will link how to actually install the Pixel onto your site, but for this video we are going to be actually setting up events to fire inside of the TikTok Pixel. So here we are in TikTok Ads Manager, and we're going to come over here to Assets and to Event. And we are going to do Website Pixel Manage. And as you can see here, if you have not created your pixel, you will have just a button in the middle here that says Create Pixel. But we have the one that we created in my last video that says TikTok Pixel 1. So we are going to be setting up events for this. Okay, so we're going to come in here to create event, and this is going to be for a lead gen form for this video. I will be covering e-commerce events in another video, but this one's specifically going to be to track a form submission. So if you're like me when you first came to this page, it's a little weird how they have it set up. Why the two events are here. This first one is going to be tracking a page view. So similar to like how Facebook tracks your page view when you first get on the platform. Facebook automatically tracks the page view. In TikTok, you have to set this up yourself. So this is just going to be simply a page view, this first event name. So I'm going to name this page view. And then the second one is going to be the actual event of the form submission. And this is going to be based on a URL. So I'm going to do form submit URL. We're not going to give it a currency because it is, or an actual value because it is a lead, and we want this firing once, not every single time on our page. We're going to hit next. Once we get to this page, it's going to ask for your website URL. So we're going to type this in right here and then hit update, and it's going to find our website for us and give a preview of the site. For this page view, we are going to have a destination URL, as I mentioned, and we want this firing. We have forms on all pages of our site, so we're just going to have this contains anything with backslash so that it gets our entire website for us. What are the other options they have here? Yeah, we're just going to keep page URL contains backslash, and then we're going to hit complete there. So that is now. Oh, sorry. It gives you this form if you say complete. You actually need to save this first. And then before you hit complete again, if you hit complete right now, it's going to tell me I need to fill out this form submission. So that drove me nuts when I was first doing it. So if I hit complete, it's going to tell me you got to fill out this form submission. So we're going to come here, and then this is going to be a destination URL. We're going to add the page rules, and page URL contains thanks. So all of my lead gen forms, they after the user fills out the form, they hit a page that says thank you or thanks, and so all of them will have. Actually, we should do thanks inside of there. Then we're going to hit complete. Oh, once again, it got me again. So you got to hit save and then complete. And now we have successfully created those events. So we are going to go through and test them now with the TikTok Pixel Helper and make sure that they are all firing correctly. All right, so here we are at the website. We are on the page that has the form, and we want to make sure that the page view tag is firing and that the form submission tag is firing. So if we click on here in the TikTok Pixel Helper, we can see that we have two events created inside of this pixel, and one has been triggered and one has not, which makes sense because if we click down in here, the page view trigger has fired, but the form submit has not, which is good. That's what we want. So one tag has been correctly installed. Now we need to make sure that the actual form is firing correctly. So I'm going to go and fill out this form real quick. We'll call this test. And then we are going to hit download now. All right, so we have arrived at our thank you page. As you see here, we have thanks-9827. And if we click inside of here, we have now successfully fired the form submit TikTok Pixel. So now every time somebody fills out a form, we will now be storing that data inside of TikTok. And now we are back inside of TikTok Ads Manager, and as you can see here, I actually waited a second to come back and check this for the video, and it's a pretty large site. So we do have 925 total events for the page views, and we've had 5 form submits come through on the site, so we know that it is working correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want some more videos like these. Thanks, guys.